Competent agricultural production is impossible without the knowledge of agriculture chemistry, especially amid intensification of the industry. Understanding the role of each element in plant nutrition, its behavior in soils and plants, makes it possible to control the productivity of agrocenosis and the quality of final products, as well as to restore soil fertility. This video will focus on the three key areas of agriculture chemistry: plants, soil, and fertilizer. Plant nutrition. First, let's explore how plants receive and absorb nutrients. Basically, there are three main nutrition routes, via roots, air, and leaves. Now let's look at each of these routes more closely. In root nutrition, plants use their roots to absorb water with mineral substances from the soil. The minerals are transported through the conductive tissues to the leaves, where they are involved in the biosynthesis processes. The roots absorb all nutrients from the soil in the form of ions. Positively charged ions are called cations, and negatively charged ions are anions. Nitrogen can be absorbed as nitrate of ammonium ions. There are, however, certain exceptions. For example, legumes are also able to absorb the atmospheric molecular nitrogen with the help of nodule bacteria. Phosphorus and sulfur are absorbed in the form of anions as dihydrogen phosphate and sulfate ions respectively. Potassium, calcium, magnesium, sodium, and iron are absorbed as cations. And micronutrients can be absorbed both as anions or cations depending on the particular element. The next nutrient route is photosynthesis. It is the process of converting carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates using the energy of sunlight. Photosynthesis also produces oxygen, and organic compounds take part in biosynthesis processes. The third route is so-called foliar feeding, where nutrients enter a plant directly through leaves. It should be noted that foliar feeding does not replace root nutrition, but is a very effective way to stimulate biochemical processes in a plant and increase its resistance to stress factors.